Hi everyone and welcome back at the travel agency.
We are in the French Alps now, and this is our 2020 ski trip.
Yes, but this is not the beginning of the story, so let's leave back in time to the start of this trip in Slovenia. In Slovenia, we wanted to visit the Postojna cave, which is a 24-kilometer long karst cave system and one of the country's most famous tourist attractions. However, things didn't go exactly as was planned. At first, we missed the train which would have taken us into the cave, and the next train would have been 3 hours later. After this, we successfully crashed our drone into the water, but at least we managed to save it from the river with an acrobatic move.
Despite all of these nuisances, this stop wasn't a complete failure because we could get into the Postojna's cave vivarium, where we could take a glance at the cave's extraordinary wildlife and its research history.
After the Postojna cave adventures, we moved on and left Slovenia behind, and the next stop was the Auto Museum in Turin, Italy.
The Museo Nazionale dell'Automobile, aka the National Automobile Museum in Turin, is a fantastic experience for someone who likes cars, but it's also interesting for those who aren't especially huge fan of them.
The museum takes the visitor through the history of the automobile making, from the first carriage-form vehicles to modern cars produced in series. The museum's collection contains lots of iconic pieces of the car-making history, and every vehicle has its own short description with its specs and with interesting facts.
With a lot of new knowledge and experience, we continued our journey, and the Alps started to get closer and closer.